Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Calendar for today. But before we get started, we have a birthday today. Today is Colin's birthday. Happy birthday, Colin. So let's sing happy birthday to Colin together. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Colin. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 I hope you have a wonderful birthday, honey. Happy birthday. So let's get ready to start calendar. Every week has 7 days. See how many you can say. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, a day to play. And today has the digraph at the beginning. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, all day long, all day long. Yesterday was Wednesday, tomorrow will be Friday. Now we're done, oh what fun. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good job. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, April 16th. April 16th, 2020. 2020. That's the date. That's the date. Let's turn the page and take a look at the weather for today. And as I look outside, it looks like the sun's trying to peek through a little bit, but it's still mostly cloudy, so I'm going to say today is cloudy. So let's work on our pattern for today. Blue, purple, pink. 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 Blah, blah, blah. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, blah, blah, blah. And let's color our graph for today. Blue, purple, pink. Blue, purple, pink. Good job. Anybody have a birthday today? Certainly. Colin's birthday. Anybody lose a tooth? Yes, Ziana lost her second tooth. That's 2 this month. How many birthdays have we had in the month of April so far? We've had 3. And how many lost teeth have we had in the month of April? That's right, 3 teeth have been lost. Good job. And let's turn the page and add a box. Let's get ready to sing together. Count, count, count by tens, count, count, count by tens, count, count, count by tens. I can count to 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 is our goal. Yeah! And let's count how many days we've been in school today. Start with our great big group of 100, 100, 110, 120, 130, 131. And how do we write the number 131? One big group of 100, 1, 2, 3 tens, and 1 loose one. 1 100, 3 tens, 1 loose one. 1 100, 3 tens, 1 loose one. Good job. You can put away your calendar for today because we are all finished with that. So yesterday we talked about adding 1 to a number. And we learned previously that anytime you add 0 to a number, the answer is always the next number. The answer is always that number. When you add 1 to a number, the answer is now the next number. So if I had 7 plus 1, the answer is, what number comes right after 7? The answer is 8. Good job. And if I had 3 plus 1, the answer would be, that's right, it would be 4, because 4 comes right after 3. And if I had 1 plus 1, what would the answer be? It would be 2, because the number that comes right after 1 is the number 2. Great job. So today we're going to work on the next strategy, which is adding 2 more. Now, this is an easy strategy, just like the other ones that we've used, and so I'm going to just get out a couple crayons because I'm going to be drawing today for part of math. So here we go. I got a bunch of crayons out, and if I have 1 and I draw 2 more, how many would I have altogether? Well, I know that 1 and 1 more would be 2, so if I now have 2 and I add 1 more, I would have 3. So it's just when you're adding 2, you're adding 1 plus another 1 to get to the next answer. So I'm going to make my 2 flowers. I'll make 2 flowers. And when we do our math drawings, do we normally take our time to make it look nice and cute like this? No, we typically just draw circles, but today I feel like drawing, so we're going to draw today. So 1 and 2 more is 3. So if I have 3 flowers and I draw 2 more, I'm going to draw 2 more. 1, 2, I think I'll make a different center this time. So I have 3 and 1 more is 4, and 1 more than 4 is 5. You're just continuing to add on 1 at a time. Great. If I have 2 and I need to draw 2 more, let's draw 2 more. And I think I'll make it look like this. A little bit different on this one. So to figure out the answer to this, 2 and 1 more is 3. 3 and 1 more is 4. You're just adding 1 more on top of adding 1 more. You're just continuing to count in order. Okay, let's draw. So if I have 4 and 1 more would be 5, and 1 more after that would be 6. Great. Now I want to do a few in my head. If I have 1 and I add 2 more to it, well, I know that 1 and 1 more is 2, and 1 more than 2 is 3. Excellent. So if I have 2, and I add 1 more, I get to 3. But if I add 1 more, I get to 4. You just keep counting on. If I have 4 and I add 2 more to it, I know that 4 plus 1 is 5, plus another 1 would be 6. And if I have 3 and I want to add 2 to it, well, I'm going to just keep counting 1 on at a time. 3 plus 1 more is 4, plus another 1 is 5. Great job. I want to show you a little pattern that might help you when you're thinking about adding on 2. So let's start with our 0 fact. If I have 5 plus 0, that would equal 5, because anytime you add 0 to a number, the answer is always the other number. So now I have 5, and I'm going to add one more, and the answer would be the very next number, which is 6. So now I'm going to write the same math sentence almost, 5 plus, and now I'm going to tell it 2. Well, if 5 plus 1 is 6, if I add another 1 onto that, the answer would be 7. What do you notice in this math fact tree? Yes, the answer is just changing one at a time, adding one more and one more, going right in order, 5, 6, 7, just like it's doing that here, 0, 1, 2. Good job. Let's do another tree. If I have 3 plus 0 equals 3. You know that anytime you add 0 to a number, the answer is always the other number. And if I have 3 plus 1, the answer is 4. That's right. I look at this number and I think of what number comes right after that. And the answer is 4. And now I can use this math sentence to help me solve the next one. If I know that 3 plus 1 equals 4 and I add one more to it, 4 plus 1 more would be 5. And 3 plus 2 equals 5. It goes right in a sequential order. Excellent. Let's try another one. If I have 6 plus 0, the answer would be 6. Right. So now if I work next in my tree, I say 6 plus 1 more, the answer would be, great, 7. And if I add 6 plus 2 more, 6, and I can think on, 7, 8. Excellent. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 1 more is 7. And 6 plus 2 equals 8. I can just count on in my head. 6 plus 1 more, 6, and the next number is 7. 6 plus 2 more, 7, 8. I can do it right in my head, mental math. Learning your math fluency facts just like you have to learn sight words, okay? So today, I'm going to challenge you. I'm going to write this math fact tree, and I want to see if you can answer it for me. So I'm going to write the whole thing out, and then you can send me a picture with your answers. Here we go. Here's your math tree for today, and I want you to see if you can solve it on your own and send me a picture. Good luck with today's challenge. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.